Hi everyone, it's been a while I haven't made any products. Today I am making body lotion. Some ingredients: shea butter, coconut oil, glycerin, VTMS 50. I will be back after I heat ingredients. Okay, I am back. I split the batch into two different fragrance, two different color. Mixing yellow mica from Windy Point if you are in Canada. Mix mica into glycerin next time. Mix all clumps until mica blends in. Next time use blender. Add fragrance, mix it all in. Scented in pina colada, coconut cream, sprinkle of brown sugar.